Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP25 Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Student Enrollment. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. If you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. I will do your all simulation training, all simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, medical, web development, and many more online courses. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on the bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. I am handling many student courses on MATLAB, Pearson, Cengage, Mintap, MC Gra, Hillsimilat, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Let's start our assignment to solve it step by step. Okay, first we'll click on enable editing button. So increase the font size of this title first. Focus on the title of assignment. I will increase the font size and I will highlight this title for a proper view in my video. Okay, I will highlight this. XP25 Excel Chapter 10 Cumulative Student Enrollment. Under this project description, you can see your project description to get idea about your project. So moving on instruction, increase the font size of this instruction for a proper view in my video. Okay, question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP25. Excel chapter 10 cumulative enrollments report XLS. Okay, you can read this. XLS grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically, this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson Lab dashboard portal. I have also downloaded this file from Pearson portal. I am going to opening my Excel workbook which I have downloaded from Pearson portal. You can download this file easily from your school, college. Click on editing button first. Okay, so moving on, next question is question number 2. Question number 2 is that use get and transform to import the file E10 C1 student enrollment CSV into a new worksheet. Okay. Be sure to load the table to data model during import. Basically, in this question we will use get and transform to import the file. The file is E10 C1 student enrollment CSV into a new worksheet. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook, go to data tab. We will go to the data tab in the get and transform data group. Click on get data button. So from CSV file. Okay, from text CSV file. Okay, we will go to our PC folder where we saved this file. I have saved this file in here. You can save any location. Okay. Okay. Okay, I have saved this file in here. E10 one student enrollment. We will select this file. E10 one student enrollment 2026 and click on import button. Okay, this file is importing right now. So click on load to button. We will click on add this data to the data model checkbox. Okay, we will click on this checkbox, click on OK button. 1 second, is loading data. Okay, you can see this is good. So moving on next. I have done this question so well. Please focus on my laptop screen and you can done your assignment by watching this video. Next point is that be sure to load the table to data model during import. This is good. I have also done. So moving on, question number 3, rename the worksheet student enrollment. Simply we will copy this name student enrollment and we will rename the worksheet to this name student enrollment. Go to Excel Verbo, right click on this name sheet tab, click on rename button. We will rename the sheet as student enrollment, press enter. So moving on, question number 4 of this assignment. Question number 4 is that use get and transform to import the classes offered. Okay, use get and transform to import the classes offered table located in the database E10 C1 class offering ACCDB into a new worksheet. Be sure to load the table to the data model during import. Okay. Basically, in this question we will use get and transform. Okay, to import the classes of a table located in the database E10 C1 classes offering ACCDB into a new worksheet. Okay. We will go to our Excel workbook first and then we will import this class of a table. We will go to the data type in the get and transform data group. Click on get data button. From database, click on from Microsoft Access. Okay, and we will select this file E10 one class is offering. We will click on import button. Okay, you can see select classes offer table. Click on load to. Okay, so click on where do you want to put the data. One second. Okay, click on this checkbox and click on OK button. This is good. Okay, table is loading right now. Okay, 15 rows loaded. Classes of a table on my screen. You can see classes of a table is loaded right now. So moving on next. Okay, I have also did this point done. Question number 5 is that import the grade report table. Okay, import the grade report table from the E10 C1 grade ACCDB database into the new worksheet. Be sure the load to table the data model during import. On the data tab in the data tools group, select data model, then manage data model. Be sure that all tables are added to the data model as necessary. In the Power Pivot window, select save, then return to Excel. Be sure to save the Excel file. Okay, import the grade report. We will go to the data tab in the get and transform data group. Click on get data. Go to the from file from database from Microsoft Access and we will select this E10 grades table file. Sorry, click on import button. So we will load this table grades report table. Click on load to. Okay, so we will click on add this data to the data model. Click on this checkbox. Click on OK button. Okay, grades report table 500 rows loaded right now. So the next point is that you can see this table is loaded right now. So we will move on next point. Be sure to load the table to the data model. So the on the data table. Okay, this is good. Moving on question number 6. I have done this question so well. You can see this question is completed now. So moving on question number 6. Question number 6 is that open the student enrollment query in the Power Query editor. Split the name columns using space as a delimiter. Rename the split column last name and first name respectively. Close and load the query. Okay. Go to the student enrollment sheet and go to the data tab. In the queries and connections group, click on properties button. One second. Click on connections and queries group. Okay, we will click on this file, student enrollment 2026 table, power query editor, and then we will open this table, 2026 table, and we will rename. Click on name column, click on column split button by delimiter. Okay, so click on space to, okay, select or enter delimiter space. Each occurrences of the delimiter and quotes characters, you can see this. Click on OK button. Okay, this is good. So the next is that rename this column, name column as last name. Okay, so and rename this column 3 as first name. So the click on close and load, click on close and load to close and load button. Okay, this is good. You can see this. I have done this question, close and load the query. So the next is that you can see I have done 6 questions so far. The question number 7 of this assignment is that use get and transform to import the file E10C1 student enrollment 2026 text into a new worksheet. Okay, you can read this. Okay, new worksheet. Prior to loading the data into the worksheet, use the Power Query editor to split the name column using space as a delimiter. Rename the split column last name and first name respectively. Okay, first we will use get to transform to import the 2026 file. Go to the data tab in the get and transform data group. Click on get data from file from text file, and we will select this file E10 student enrollment 2026 file. We will select this file simply and import this file 2026 file and click on import. Click on load. Okay, click on transform data button. So we will select name column, go to the column split column button, click on by delimiter button. So we will, this is, you can see, select or enter delimiter space and click on OK button. This is good. So we will rename this name column 2 as first name, last name. Name 1 column rename as last name, and name 2 column rename as first name. First name. So we will click on close and load. This is good. Now you can see I have done this question so well. I have done 7 questions of this assignment so far. The total question of this assignment is, one second, append the E10 C1 student enrollment table with the data from the E10 student enrollment 2026 table and close and load the table. So we'll append these two tables. Okay, E10 enrollment and E10 enrollment student 2026. Go to the data type again. In the get and transform data group, click on get data. Click on combines queries. Click on append. Okay. First table is that E10 one student enrollment. Okay, we will append this two table connected row from table into a single table. Okay, first table is that E10 student enrollment 2026 table, and this is the first table, and then second table we will select E, okay, E10 student one student enrollment 2026 2. We will click on OK button. This two table will be appended. So click on close and load button. Okay, I have done this question. I have done 8 questions of this assignment in my video. You can see the total question of this assignment is that 19. I have done 9, 8 to 9 question in my video. It's mean I have done 60 to 65% of assignment in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, my lab accounting, my lab finance, my lab Excel, my lab Word, my lab PowerPoint, writing, economics, Java, C++, Python, nursing, web development, and many more online courses. If you need help in any course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given the first slide of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and we will do for this complete course. I will do your all simulation training, all assignments project, all simulation exam, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my all students. Thank you so much.